What's up, everybody? Welcome to Fatboy Friday. I know this is a little different than what you're used to, but I had a new helmet to try out, which means I had to put my Senna in this helmet and make sure that it works as far as sound goes. So I figured, what the heck? I will do the first part of my Fatboy Friday while riding the Fatboy. Anyway, guys, this week's subject, cleaning your bike. So this last weekend, I used a new product on Old Red here, the bike I'm riding, and I really liked it. I did a video on it, which is at the end of this. But I also made a post that said something along the lines of, next time you say my bike is dirty, remember I actually ride my bike. And honestly, that kind of stirred up quite a bit of controversy. Lots of people saying stuff like, well, look, if you've got time to wash your bike, you should be out riding your bike. Some people saying, I have other people wash my bike. And so on. And for me, it doesn't really matter. To each their own. Do your own thing. But that got me to thinking, how often do you guys wash and clean your bike? I definitely clean mine before a major trip and after a major trip. And I've said this before, but one of the big reasons I do that is when I'm cleaning the bike, I am literally touching every part on the bike, and if something looks or feels out of the ordinary, it gives me a chance to fix it. But I realize that not everybody rides their bike quite the same way I do. And a lot of people are like, you know what? I don't wash my bike. The rain washes my bike. Well, guys, unfortunately, there's part of my brain that won't allow me to do that. Something about a clean bike that I just love. And to each their own, but I prefer a clean, shiny bike over a dirty, nasty bike any day of the week. So I always try to keep my bike clean. Anyway, the other piece to this is, what process do you have for cleaning your bike? Do you wash it down, then dry it off? Do you use a chamois? Do you use a blow dryer? Personally, I use a blower and blow it dry, and then I shine it from there. Whether that's wax, whether that's a spray-on wax, whatever that may look like. Which usually for me is some kind of like spray-on wax. But as you'll see at the end of this video, I use a product from Amsoil called Myrtle Wash. And honestly, guys, it works awesome. I mean, Old Red looks fantastic. I'm very happy with it. And being an Amsoil dealer, I just throw a bottle of it in when I order my oil change kits for my bike, and it shows up at my front door. I don't have to go anywhere to get it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for riding with me today, testing out my new speaker setup, mic setup, and my new helmet, and talking to me about washing your bike. Stick around if you want to see what I found out about that Miracle Wash from Amsoil. And remember, guys, if you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button. You can ring the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. Leave us your comments. We read and try to answer them all. And remember, guys, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. See ya!
What's up guys, Sonny the Badger here. So for those of you that follow my channel, you know that I'm pretty picky about having a clean bike. So I'm always looking for the best stuff to use. I've used F11, which worked great. I've used Meguiar's, I've kind of used them all. So a lot of you know that I'm an Amsoil dealer and I run Amsoil, oil and filters and everything on all my bikes. So the other day I was on Amsoil and I found this stuff called Miracle Wash. It is a wash and wax all together in one can. So old Red had been sitting in the garage, ridden a little bit, but had not really been like cleaned up. And we're getting ready to head out for the summer. It's gonna stay back behind in the garage. So I thought I'd give it a good cleaning. I didn't wanna go full on and wash the bike and then dry the bike and then shine the bike. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna try to wash it and wax it all in one fell swoop. So I got to work on the bike. About an hour later, this is what it looks like. Now, all I used was this and 2 towels. This towel was white when I started, and then this was my secondary towel. So I wiped it down with this, then I wiped it down with this. And here's the results I got. Tell me what you think. All right guys, there she is, Red, out in the sun, all shined up. Let's take a good look over her. Got a really nice shine on the paint, really brightened it up. I cleaned everything, chrome, the whole 9 yards with it. And personally, I think it turned out awesome. There she is, all cleaned and shined using that one product. If you're interested in getting your own can of that, and of course oil, whatever you need from Amsoil, click the link in the description below. It'll take you right to their website. All right, she's all clean. Now it's time to take her for a ride. See ya.